Terry Hall.
Yeah.
Jeremy.
Yeah.
Southern Muscle.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, look out. Here go the grudge race, y'all. Grudge race.
I'm still in the streets, nigga.
Yeah, I heard you had that intake, dude.
Yeah.
Okay.
Walking down at the bingo hall. Yeah, cleaning up. Yeah, cleaning up at the bingo hall.
What you know about that car? This one right here?
I know that's the mark over here.
Yeah, I don't know. I think I just seen him.
I'm been with you.
I think I just seen him. Yeah. You ain't taking no checks. That's Tom John over there, man.
Yeah, I heard he just won the 650 shit.
Yeah, well, he got some.
He got something.
Yeah. Got driver number 2. He ready, y'all. Okay, he got one of them transmissions that move while it's in park, y'all. Let me see it. Oh, you got a button over here. Let it eat. Oh, left lane for the win. Left lane for the win, man.
Terry Hall.
Yeah.
Jeremy.
Yeah.
Southern Muscle.
Yeah. Look out. Ooh, God. He's getting it counted out. Left lane cut a good light, smoking the tires and still won. So Richard said, oh shit, what an upset.
That motherfucker drove that bitch.
Yeah, he cut that light.
I drove.
Yeah. Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.